Good morning, students. Today we'll start a new chapter that is from your unit 2 books. The name of the chapter is The Boy Who Borrowed. Students, the title The Boy Who Borrowed. Borrowed means I have already written the meaning for you. To take for a while. For example, you borrow a book from the library. You borrow some money from your friend and then you give it after some time. So borrow means to take for a while. Let's read. You will enjoy it. Benny loved reading. He always had his nose in a book and he never had enough to read. Benny is a boy in the chapter just like of your age. He is very fond of reading. He loved reading books, story books. He had his nose in a book. He had his nose in a book means he is always busy reading a book. And he never had enough to read. Since he is fond of reading, he is always keep on reading. That's why whatever he read, he finishes it quickly. So he falls short of the books. इतना पढ़ता है वो पूरा दिन रात कि उसको बुक्स ही कम पड़ जाती हैं पढ़ने के लिए. Really, said his mother, you only take half a day to read a book. Mother said कि you are so fond of reading that you take only half day to read a book. Benny, you need a book about as long as the dictionary. So I want that you should have a book as thick as a dictionary. Students, you know, dictionary खूब मोटी होती है, उसको आप एक दिन में पढ़ ही नहीं सकते, 2 दिन में भी नहीं पढ़ सकते, महीनों में आप उसको पढ़ोगे. तो उसकी मदर ने बोला कि तुम्हें तो एक डिक्शनरी जैसी बुक चाहिए जो खत्म ना हो जल्दी से. I want a book that goes on forever, said Benny. Benny said to his mother कि I want a book that never finishes. That's the only book that will really give me enough reading. Only that kind of the book I will enjoy, and that book will give me a joy of reading. Benny hadn't enough money to buy a lot of books, and no one gave him any except at Christmas time. Since Benny don't have enough money so that he may buy the books, and he only gets the book as gift on Christmas. At the time of Christmas, because his friends, his relatives know that he is fond of reading storybooks, so they always gift him storybooks at Christmas time. He had about 8 books of his own and that was all. उसके खुद के पास उसकी खुद की जो बुक थी वो केवल 8 थी and that was all. Rest of the book he used to borrow and the title suggests the same, The Boy Who Borrowed. वो लड़का जो उधारी मांगता है, यानी कि वो बुक्स को बोरो करता है अपने फ्रेंड से. बता देना. So Benny borrowed books from his friends and from the library. As I have told you just now, he used to borrow the books from the friends. Please, will you lend me The Island of Adventure? Lend means to give. He asked Bill. I haven't read it. He asked one of his friends to give him his book, The Island of Adventure. He asked Mary for The Secret Seven and she lent it to him. One more friend, Mary, he asked Mary to give her book, The Secret Seven, and she also gave her book to Benny. Then he borrowed 5 on a treasure island from Henry and 2 nature books from John. Then he asked Henry to give his treasure island, 5 on a treasure island, and he took 2 books from John also. So till now you have come to know that he has taken book from Bill, he has taken book from Mary, Henry and John. So he is in the habit of borrowing the books because reading is his favorite hobby. Next, but he always forgot to give them back. So this was his bad habit. Students, the chapter is based on his this bad habit. You must always return the things that you have borrowed from your friends or from somebody else. But Benny has one bad habit, that he never returns the things of others. At least he forgot at first, but when he saw his bookcase gradually filling up, he simply couldn't bear to give back any of the books. Okay, we may think that at first we may forget to give the books, but when we see that our bookshelf is filled with books and there is no more space for more books to be kept, so one always remembers that these books are not do not belong to me, so I should return them. But Benny at that time ignored the idea. Why? Because he couldn't bear to give back any of the books. Bear means tolerate, because he loves books so much that he couldn't even think to give them back. उसको बुक वापस करना क्यों अच्छा नहीं लगता था? क्योंकि उसको बुक्स से बहुत प्यार था और वो इस चीज़ को टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाता था कि मुझे बुक्स वापस भी देनी है. सो ही डिडंट. If the children asked him for them, he pretended he hadn't got them. Pretended means to pose, दिखाना, दिखावा करना. क्या करता था वो? अगर बच्चे उससे बुक्स मांगते थे तो वो ऐसे पोज करता था, ऐसे प्रिटेंड करता था, ऐसे दिखाता था कि जैसे उसके पास कोई बुक है ही नहीं. He was a most dishonest little boy. So what can you assume about him? That he was a dishonest boy. So student, you should learn that we should never be dishonest. We should always return the belongings of others. So let's see what happened with Benny because of his this bad habit. He didn't only borrow books. He borrowed a ball from Eric. Now earlier, here you have read that he had borrowed books from Bill, Mary, Henry and John. He is not in the habit of borrowing books only, but other things also, stationery and toys also. He borrowed a ball from Eric. उसने Eric से ball ली and a pen from Lucy. Kenneth lent him his jigsaw. Jigsaw is a kind of puzzle. And Ellen lent him her new rubber. So you must have come to know that how many things he had borrowed from his friends. He didn't give any of them back. And once he took the things from them, maybe it may be a toy, it may be stationery material or a book, he never returns them. And the children were very cross indeed. Cross means angry. Because of this habit, his friends, they were very angry with him. वो उससे नाराज रहने लगे, उसके friends. And then one night something happened. And at one night you will just come to know something strange happened with Benny. Let's read. It was something very peculiar. Peculiar means strange, unknown, ajeeb. And Benny quite thought it was a dream. And Benny thought that it is not the reality, it may be a dream. Because whatever happened with him, that is not possible in real life. He sat in bed and because he thought he heard a noise. In the night when he was sleeping during the night, he heard some voices. Surely there were voices in the other room where he kept his books and toys. He assumed that these voices may be coming from the other room, the room where he used to keep his books and toys. Benny slipped out of bed. Slipped means to move quietly. Benny धीरे से बिस्तर से निकला. He listened outside the door of the room and he tried to listen by bringing his ear close to the door. He tried to listen that from where the noises are coming and who is speaking. Yes, there were voices. Yes, now he was sure. He had heard from his own ears that yes, voices were coming. It's too bad, said a voice. One of the voice he heard, it was saying कि ये बहुत गलत बात है. I don't belong to Benny. मैं Benny की हूँ ही नहीं. I belong to John. I am of John. I am John's book. So can you think that a book is speaking The book is saying that it is very bad that Benny has kept me. I don't belong to him. Actually, I belong to John. I have got his name inside me, and as a proof, the book is saying that you can see John's name is written inside me. So, have I? Said another voice. So, it must be another book. That book said, I also do not belong to Benny. And I belong to Bill, said a third voice. Still, the third book said that I am of Bill. I belong to Bill and I do not belong to Benny. He loved me very much. He means Bill. Bill loved me very much and read me 6 times. Can you assume? Bill liked his book so much that he read that book 6 times. Students here, can you tell me the name of the book which he borrowed from Bill? We have just read. Yes, it is The Island of Adventure. Yes. He loved me very much and read me 6 times. Bill loved his book, The Island of Adventure, so much that he has read it 6 times. Now I am stuck here in Benny's shelf. Stuck means to get caught. Fas jana. The book is saying, Bill's book is saying कि I am caught in Benny's shelf. I cannot go anywhere. I am in trap. And I don't like him and I don't like Benny. Why the book don't like Benny? Because Benny had kept the book of Bill without his consent. He doesn't treat me properly either. What the book is complaining about? That Benny does not treat me properly. He's turned some of my pages. He has turned some of my pages down to mark his place. So what wrong thing Benny has done with the book? Benny has folded some of the pages of the book, and that's a horrid thing to do with books, and it's very bad. Very bad. We should never fold the pages of the book, or we should never mark with the pen in the book. Horrid means dreadful, bhayanak. I belong to Mary, said another voice. One more book said that I belong to Mary. So, can you tell me the name of that book that belonged to Mary? Yes, it's The Secret 7. I was a birthday present from her mother and she liked me. Mary's mother had given Mary this book, that is The Secret 7, on her birthday. Now I have to stay here, though I know Mary has an empty place in her bookcase waiting for me. Now I am also stuck. I am also caught in the bookshelf of Benny, while my owner Mary's shelf is lying vacant and it is waiting for me. Let's go, said yet another voice. One more voice said कि let's go, चलते हैं. Why should we stay here? Why should we stay in here? Why should we get caught here? Let's run down the stairs and go to that little room where there's always a window left open for the cat. So they all decided that we should go downstairs, and from there we will go to a little room. In that little room a window is always open. Why? That is for the cat. The cat comes and goes from there. Come on, I won't stay here and be a borrowed book any longer. So one of the books said कि come on, let's go. This is a good idea and I don't want to stay here and I don't want to be a borrowed book. मुझे उधारी की बुक बन के नहीं रहना है. चलो हम यहाँ से चलते हैं. Good gracious, thought Benny in alarm. Alarm means to worry, चिंता करना. Now Benny, who was listening all these kinds of the noises in his room, he thought that it is very strange. What is happening over here? Why? It's the books talking. Books बातें कर रही हैं. Would you believe it? Can you believe that books are talking? The door was pushed open And in the room, in which room, that particular room, they where these books were kept in the shelf, they pushed open the door and books came out at pushing and jostling. Jostling means to push. They were pushing each other. You can see in the picture over here. See, the books were coming down from the stairs and Benny is looking with much surprise at the books. He is not able to understand what is going on. They walked over Benny's toes. The books, they walked over his toes. उसके पैर के ऊपर से उतर गए and didn't seem to notice him at all and they ignored him at all. They didn't even look at him. He was too frightened to stop them or even to say a word. Frightened means scared, डरा हुआ, afraid. And Benny, you can see in the picture, he's so scared that he didn't say any word to the books और उसने उनको रोका भी नहीं. They tumbled helter-skelter down the stairs. All the books tumbled, fell down. Helter-skelter means beta. Helter-skelter means to move in a disorderly manner, pushing each other, not moving in a proper queue. So books were moving down helter-skelter down the stairs. They went into the little room of the hall and found the open window. Then from there they went to a little room, as they have already decided that they will go to a little room and from there they will jump out of the window. Small window is always open there. Then there was a silence. Benny went back to bed. Now there was silence for a little while and Benny went back to the bed. Since it was night, so he went back again to sleep. Trembling, he was trembling, he was shaking. Shaking means he was shaking with fear. कांप रहा था डर की वजह से. He couldn't make out what happened with him. He didn't like it at all. He didn't like whatever happened with him. He fell asleep. Since it was night, so he fell asleep. सो गया वो. And when he awoke in the morning, he laughed. And then the next morning, when he woke up from his sleep, he thought that it may be some dream. It might be a dream. So he laughed on himself. Oh mother, he said at breakfast time, I had such a funny dream last night. And he told his mother at the breakfast table that mother, last night, the previous night, I saw a very funny dream. I dreamt that all my books went walking downstairs and ran away. And what did I see in my dream? I saw that all my books, they went downstairs and they ran away from my house. Well, well, what a queer dream to have, said mother. Queer means strange. Well, well, what a queer dream to have, said mother. Mother said it's a very strange dream. But what do you think when Benny went to get his school books that morning? Students, what do you think? It was a reality or a dream? Let's read. He went to his room to collect his books and bags from there as it was the time to go to school. And what he saw there, when Benny bent to get his school books that morning, he found his bookshelves quite empty except for his own books. And what did he see? That his bookshelves were empty. There were no borrowed books there and he had his own books only. How many books were there? 8 books. All the others had gone. बाकी सब बुक वहाँ से जा चुकी थी. Benny sat down suddenly because his legs felt queer. Benny sat down on the floor because his legs, they were trembling because of fear. So it hadn't been a dream. So now he realized that it was not a dream. It was a reality. It was a real. It had happened. ये हुआ है रात को. सच में हुआ है. ये कोई सपना नहीं था. Those books he had borrowed had gone off in a temper and left him. Temper means anger. The books that he saw last night, they have actually gone and they left his house in anger. They would all be back with their right owners now. So the book must have gone to their owners, and it will be a matter of shame because he hadn't written the book himself. The book have gone themselves. So he was thinking that it will be a shame for him. Benny was so frightened that he didn't know what to do. And now he was so frightened, he was so afraid that he couldn't think that what should I do now? What would he say to his friends? Then he caught sight of Eric's bowl and Lucy's pen. Then he saw that there was lying bowl and a pen which he had borrowed from Eric and Lucy respectively. Suppose they did the same thing too, and what did he think? The previous night the books have left his home. Now next day these stationery materials may also do the same. Why? They might even do it in a broad daylight, and they may do so in the sunny day. They can do the same in the daytime also. And if these stationery materials do the same in the daytime, there will be lot of embarrassment for him. उसको बहुत शर्म आएगी, and he then how ashamed it would be. उसको बहुत शर्म आएगी, वो इसको टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाएगा कि दिन में उसके कमरे से निकल के चीज़ें चली गई. Benny went very red. Benny face became red because of anger, or you may say because of shame. He collected Eric's bowl, Lucy's pen, Kenneth's jigsaw and Ellen's rubber. He collected all the materials that he has borrowed from his friend. Since books have already gone, so he collected other stationery materials and toys from his room so that he may give back these things to their owners. He found some other things he had borrowed and put them all into his bag. Now what did he do? Now he had learned a lesson. He has collected all the things from his room that he has borrowed from the students and kept in his bag so that he may return the things on reaching the school. He handed them back to the other children. I'm sorry I kept these so long, he said in a small voice. Small voice here means sadly. He said in a very sad tone that he returned the things. Handed means he gave the things to their owners, and he said, I am very sorry because I kept your things for a long time. And he was looking very sad, and the reason you already know, that the books have left his home, left him ashamed and surprised. Thank you, said the children in surprise. We thought you meant to keep them. Now the students were surprised. Why they were surprised? Because Benny has kept their things for such a long time, and they have lost all the hopes. They thought that Benny would never return their things. बच्चों ने सोचा कि बैनी उनकी चीज़ें कभी वापस नहीं करेगा, तो उनको सरप्राइज हुआ जब बैनी ने उनको चीज़ें वापस की. That would have been stealing really, said Eric. Eric, one of Benny's friends, said कि if you had kept our things, that would be called a stealing. It means you would have become a thief. It's good that you have returned our things. Oh, Benny, thank you for sending back my book, The Boy Next Door, said Mary. Now, Mary gave him another shock. She said, Benny, thank you that you have returned my book, The Boy Next Door. I found it in my bookcase this morning. I found my book kept in my bookcase. So, what do you think? The books, when they left Benny's house, they have reached to their owners. Benny stared at her. Stared means to look fixedly. घूरना, घूर के देखना. Benny Mary को देखता रह गया. Good gracious. So her book had managed to find its way right to that empty place in Mary's bookshelf. So books, they are so intelligent. They are so clever that they have found the place to Mary's house, and they have already reached to her shelf. That was a surprising thing for him. The others told him that their books were back too, and it was nice thing that other students, other friends also informed him that they have got their books back. I shan't borrow again unless I give back very quickly. Shan't. This is the shrink form of shall not. I shall not. I shan't borrow again unless I give back very quickly, thought Benny. Now Benny took a pledge. He promised to himself that he will never borrow a book unless he return book or other things unless he return whatever he borrow very quickly. वो उसने अपने आप से प्रोमिस किया कि वो तब तक कोई बुक किसी से नहीं लेगा, कोई भी चीज़ नहीं लेगा जब तक वो उसको जल्दी से वापस नहीं करता है. I wouldn't like this to happen to me again, and he thought that I don't want that this incident that happened with me the previous night should repeat. I would like it either if I borrowed and didn't give back. Would you? Now the writer Enid Blyton has asked कि even I won't like if somebody borrowed my things and do not give back. And now what about you? The writer has thrown a question to you that what would you do if somebody borrows your things and do not return timely?